Ratatouille is my favourite Pixar film. Now let's make the actual dish together. Chop up a courgette into thin slices like so. Watch those fingers. Do the same with a washed and peeled potato. Then with an onion. Then an aubergine, or eggplant if you're American. And finally, a tomato. Throw a couple of tablespoons of olive oil into a large pan and soften up 200 grams of chopped onion. Then add the same of chopped carrot and celery, stir together well and soften up the vegetables, and throw in 30 grams of butter to help everything cook. Add 500 milliliters of tomato paste, 2 bay leaves, and 50 grams of roasted bell peppers. Let everything heat through and begin to bubble. Then add 2 tablespoons of herbs de Provence and garlic, 30 grams of paprika, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and a pinch of basil. Then stir everything together well. Carefully remove the 2 bay leaves once everything is cooked. Cover your pan with a lid and simmer on a low heat for about an hour. When the hour is up, gently blend the mixture in the pan until it's nice and smooth. You can do this with an electric blender or, of course, by hand. In a bowl, mix 100 milliliters of olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and a teaspoon of fresh thyme. Spoon your cooked vegetable mixture into a large circular cooking tray, and then begin to portion out your sliced veggies into a pattern like this one. Look at it, isn't it pretty? Pour over your thyme oil and try to cover as much of the vegetables as you can. Cover the dish with foil and bake for 90 minutes at 160 degrees. Then for a few extra minutes without the foil. Then you can watch it bubble. Now it's time to serve up with some freshly grated Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley. Delicious. Enjoy!